Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. We are still yet here in the Phoenix area, heading to a wedding. For those of you that are new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Hey, we're Stock Up here with Larry Jones, and we are focused on building generational wealth. I'm going to talk about something very, very important to a lot of investors, both new and old. There is a huge mistake that is made, and I'm going to go into that right after this. Listen, we had a great meet and greet here in the Phoenix area, and I believe it's Tuesday is the next stop. Next week, Tuesday, will be LA. The time, date, and location should be posted here at the bottom. There you go. I'm going to edit that in. So that is the time, the day, and the location. Come out, meet up with your boy. Hey, it's just me. Actually, on this leg, I have some guests that may be joining me, so come. We had like a town hall. It's just me on my own time and my own dime, just meeting and greeting you guys. But there were questions asked, and it turned into a town hall meeting. Not really, but we had a lot of fun, took pictures, and I just want to touch and meet and greet you guys and love on you guys, all right? That's it. And then, of course, this is brought to you by Stock Up You. It is the top link below in the description. Learn more and earn more. Invest in yourself, right? So I just wanted to cover those things. Listen, the market is really kind of crazy right now. Of course, we had new job data that came out, and I'll talk about that on tomorrow. We'll do a market update. We keep having signs that, inflation is slowing down, hence the Fed should be neutral. There will be no reversal this year. That's off the table, right? But what I really wanted to talk about, I'll talk about more of that tomorrow on my Sunday Inspirational. You guys do know that this is a holiday weekend, so that means that Monday is a day off for a lot of people, all right? So listen, what I really wanted to come on briefly and talk about is something that a lot of, including myself, when I was a new trader, I used to make the same mistake. And that mistake was, I thought that if I bought a cheap stock, I could get a lot of shares and make a lot of money if it goes up. So if it goes up, I'm not going to look at the more expensive stock. I'm going to look at the cheaper stock so I can get a lot of shares so I can make a lot of money, right? And I'm going to stay away from the expensive stock. For those of you that was in Tesla in 2020, remember it ran up to $2,100. But Tesla is the stock that taught me the lesson, right? For instance, if I would have put my money into a stock just because it was cheap and it only ran up, let's say 5%, but the stock was $5, man, I got all of these shares, right? Look at the percentage, look at the gains and not how many shares you have. Because if you lose with a cheap stock, if you lose 10% of your money, that's 10%. 10% equals 10%. 20% equals 20%. And I'm just going to say this for those of you that don't know, that are very, very new. If you want a $400 stock, right? Let's say the stock costs $400 or $4,000. And you say, hey, that's too expensive. You could buy fractional shares, right? You can only buy a piece. Now, I know there's some people that are negative on fractional shares. I'm just going to look you in the eye and tell you they are wrong. It's according to your finances, according to your own finances. Don't compare yourself with anyone else. So, to really, really shine a light on this subject, last night in my hotel room, as somebody's car alarm goes off, last night in my hotel room, I made a video, and I was trying to be quiet because I have a deep voice and I was talking a little loud, okay? I want you guys to listen to this, and we'll come back. All right, let's start with Mullen. Let's look at Mullen. As you can see, let's just go year to date. As you can see, year to date, Mullen is down 99.36%. 99.36%. So had you put $100 into Mullen, that $100, no, let's go off of the comment. Had you put $500 into Mullen, it would now be worth a measly $1.20 out of your $500, okay? And so you said, yeah, but it was cheap, but you lost all of your money. Had you put the exact same $500 into NVIDIA, since these were the stock that we were talking about the other day, it went up 238%, 238.87% to be exact, year to date. So had you put it into NVIDIA, a company that has cash, that makes earnings, then you would have gained $1,694, right? So that's what your $500 would be worth. You've gained $1,194. And in total now, your $500 has turned into $1,694. You understand? So here you put $500 in and you got $1.20 left. And here you put $500 in and now you have $1,694. Let's go to another, what was another short squeeze? BBIG. Remember that? Look at that. We don't even have to do the numbers. Down another 99%, right? Let's go to another hot stock, AMC. AMC down 62%. Over half of your money is gone. Out of your $500, you can kiss 260 of it away. You know, do the math. I'm just rounding it off. You know, out of your $500, 62% of it is gone. Let's do the math right now. So if we got 500 and that is 500 minus 62, you're looking at $437-ish, okay? Now, let's say you put it into, again, a good blue chip company that has been around, proven itself, making money quarter over quarter, year over year, right? Now you would have been up 51%. So now your $500, you've added another $250 to your $500, okay? You see how that goes, good people? So it doesn't matter the amount, all right? It always concentrate on the percentage and not the amount. So now your $500 is worth about $750. And let's not even talk about Tesla year to date, 126%. And it was much higher than that before. Let's go to the year. Look at that. Now that's 1 year on Tesla. But had you invested this year alone into Tesla and not companies like Mullen, BBIG and AMC, you would be up, 126%. Let me do the math on that. 500 times 126%. You would have gained an extra $630 plus the initial $500. Now your $500 would be $1,130. Had to get further away from that car. It was louder than me. Hey, I hope you guys got something out of that. Remember, look at the percentage, right? And this was based on this post, right? This was based on this post. And I told the person that made this post that I will be doing a video to help, right? So this is just to help you guys with this issue, because I had the same thing when I was a new trader, a new investor. Let me get the cheaper stock and I'll make more money. And it cost me more. And yes, I know some of these news articles and some of these channels like CNBC, every time they talk about a stock, it's $3, $4, $5,000, $400. And you go, man, I just want something that I can afford. So just remember, use the fractional shares, concentrate on the percentage of gains. Look, you just saw what Nvidia did, right? You saw how much it went up, and it actually 200%. It's ridiculous some of these stocks do. But they are more expensive stock. So percentage is percentage. It doesn't matter how many shares you have, right? I'm gonna leave it right there. Hey, listen, make sure Tuesday, Los Angeles, come in and meet up with your boy. I just want to meet you guys. That's all this is. This is a meet and greet tour. It's myself, but this time we got somebody. I'll make the announcement tomorrow. We got a surprise guest that'll show up. We just want to meet and greet you guys. That's it. Take pictures, meet and greet you guys. It's free, and come who may. All right. We will talk to you later, and make sure you check out all the links below. All right. Hey, we will see you tomorrow on an inspirational. Guys, have a blessed and safe weekend.